guys, welcome back. Today I thought to share with you how I do my everyday face makeup. Well, almost every day, because I don't apply makeup on my face every single day. But when I go out or when I sit down and film, this is the face makeup that I do every single time. But sometimes I do skip cream contour because I'm lazy. And as you can see, I like the dewy, radiant, glowy finished look because I have dry skin. And yeah, if you want to see how to achieve this flawless finish look, please keep watching. No, I'm just kidding, my face is not flawless at all. But if you want to see how I do my face makeup, then please keep watching. Okay, so I just washed my face with this Balance Me Pure Skin Face Wash, and I really like how this works with my dry skin. I have dry skin and sometimes it's sensitive, not all the time, and I really enjoy this. I wash my face in the morning with this, I remove my makeup with this, and also I use this to exfoliate my skin with that little exfoliator thing, machine, I don't know. And I really love this. I got this in my Birchbox subscriptions. I don't know if it was this month or last month, but I think I'm going to purchase this. But I got a good amount of product in here, so yeah, I just washed my face with this. I did my eyebrows off camera and I applied a little bit of lip balm, and now I'm going to show you what products I use to prep my skin for makeup, I guess. So because I have dry skin, I like to use a very hydrating, nourishing cream, and sometimes I use more than one cream, and for some people maybe is too much, but if you have dry skin like me, you totally understand this. First, I'm going to start with the face serum. This is from Atashi. I got this in my Birchbox, and all the skincare I'm going to use in this video, I got them in my Birchbox, so yeah. So I like to put the product on the back of my hand and then on my face. And this sinks into my skin immediately. And my skin is pretty smooth. I do have some texture around my jawline. I don't know what causes that. I do have my face expression lines, and that's it. Other than that, my skin is looking pretty nice. I do have some redness around here and here. I got this little guy here and around my nose, but other than that, it's pretty smooth and I'm glad. Next, I'm going with this THERMALIV Hydra Active, and this is a night cream. And because I have dry skin, this works perfectly for me during the day. I don't get greasy from this, so I really like this. Maybe it's too much. And this smells so good too. I got this all over me. And sometimes I like to use this Embryolisse cream too, but I feel like when my skin is extra dry, this doesn't sink into my skin. It stays more like on top of my skin, and then my makeup won't go as flawless as I would like to. So it says that you can use this as a primer, but I don't use this as a primer. And also you can remove your makeup with this. So yeah, I don't use this every day, but I do like this as well. So next, I'm going to use another product from Balance Me, and this is an eye cream. It says Tinted Wonder Eye Cream. I feel like this gives me a little bit of luminosity under my eyes, and I like it. And as an extra step, sometimes I like to spray my face with this Badescu facial spray, and I'm going to do it right now. This smells so good. So this is how I prep my face before I apply my makeup. I like to use very moisturizing creams, and as you can see, my face is glowing and I'm not mad about that. Next step is primer, and I recently discovered this No Problem primer. This is from Touch and Soul, and I like this for only one reason. So I don't have large pores, so I can't tell you if this fills in pores. I do have fine lines on my forehead, and this doesn't blur them out. I like this because my makeup goes so smooth on top of this, and it makes everything easier for me. And I like to apply this all over my face. Next, I'm going to apply this BB Illumination Face Cream. This is from Vera Cosmetics, and I don't know why people don't talk about Vera Cosmetics anymore. Here on YouTube, it used to be thebomb.com back in the days, so I don't know what happened. If you know what happened, let me know. I'm curious. So I like to use this mixed in my foundation, and also I like to use it underneath my foundation, and it gives me that luminosity, you know, that healthy glow skin, I guess. I think that's enough. Alright, next step is foundation, and I like to mix my foundation. I like to create my own cocktail of foundation, and I really enjoy this combo right here. My L'Oreal True Match and this Revlon Airbrush Effect foundation. I don't have this in my actual shade. This is more like summer shade, but this is way too light for me right now, and these two together are my perfect combo. I also like to mix these two together, but for today's video I'm going to use my L'Oreal one, but this combo is good as well. So I'm going to do 2 pumps of my L'Oreal to match, and 1 pump of this airbrush, maybe a little bit more. And the pump is, I don't know, it's not broken, but okay, I think that's enough. I don't like to use a brush to apply my foundation. I don't know why, I'm just picky like that. I like to use more a sponge, and these from Real Techniques are the bomb. I really like them. Next, I'm going to cream contour, and I'm using my Wet n Wild dual ended contour stick, and I really love this. This blends effortless, and I feel like nobody talks about this. This is so good. Next, I'm going to highlight my under eyes, and I'm using my Age Rewind from Maybelline concealer, and what? And also I'm going to use just a little bit of this Catrice Camouflage Concealer because it's a little bit more light. And very quick, I'm going to set my under eye with my RCMA No Color Powder. Next, I'm going to lightly set my entire face with my RCMA No Color Powder. And I know that you see me using this in my videos, but I put the RCMA powder into this Kiko container because every single time I try to use this product from this container, it's super messy and I feel like I'm wasting a lot of product. So I put this powder into this container, and this also was from my invisible powder, so I feel like it's more easy with this container, if that makes sense. Anyway, so lightly I'm going to set my entire face with this powder, and with my sponge I'm going to smooth a little bit my fine lines. I'm just pressing this into the skin. To set my bronzer or my contour, I'm going to use this MUA Luxe Bronzer and Sculpt Kit, and I don't really use this color because it's shiny. I don't know what is a highlight shimmery bronzer. I don't know, I don't use that. I use this, and I really like this because it has that grayish undertone, so you can contour with this. And even if I set my contour with a little bit of translucent powder, I want to enhance that contour with this powder. I'm going to use just a little bit. And next I'm going to bronze just a little bit my face with my favorite bronzer ever. This is Butter Bronzer from Physicians Formula. I need to get another one like ASAP because I already hit pan on this and I really like it. Next I'm going to blend just a little bit with the same brush that I applied my RCMA powder. And we are almost done. Next I'm going to use this NYX Ombre blush. This is in Strictly Chic, and I'm not really a blush person. I don't know, I just like to use just a tiny bit. You have to make this face so you can see the apples of your cheek. Alright, and to highlight my face I'm going to use my Nicole Guerrero and Anastasia Glow Kit, and I'm going to mix Forever Young and Glow Getter, and I'm going to use a sponge. This is a little bit dirty, but I use this only to apply my highlight. Next I'm going to set everything with my amazing fixing spray, and that's it. Oh, I forgot to highlight my brow bone and my tear duct. Alright, so this is the finished look. This is how I do my makeup almost every day when I go out or when I'm filming. This is the makeup that I do for my face, and these are the products that I love the most to use every day. And sometimes I skip cream contour because I'm lazy, but I like to do it. So yeah, as you can see, I like the radiant glowy finish for my face. And that's it. I hope you enjoyed my video. Please subscribe if you haven't already. Take care, and I will see you in my next one. Yeah, I hope you enjoyed my video. Next I'm going to cream... Mario Badescu. Anyway. Every time I'm...